We absolutely love McDonald's breakfast in our household. So the other night for dinner, we just had to try making our version of the McGriddle. We let them cook on the Blackstone, then flipped them over and watched the syrup bake in the batter.
These are all set.
Next up, I buttered the griddle, added the sausage, and then added the hash browns. What's a McDonald's breakfast without hash browns? Once the sausage and the hash browns were cooked up and ready to go, we cooked 2 eggs for those who wanted them. And there you have it, the McGriddle, Ruth style. So good.